This video will provide a straightforward explanation of Shopify Capital and how you can leverage it to grow your e-commerce business, specifically for managing inventory and boosting your marketing efforts. What is Shopify Capital? Shopify Capital is a financing program offered by Shopify to eligible merchants. It provides access to business loans or merchant cash advances with repayment tied to your store sales performance. It's designed to give businesses quick access to funds without traditional credit checks, directly within your Shopify admin. How to use Shopify Capital for inventory or marketing. Shopify Capital funds are flexible and can be used for various business needs, including inventory, stocking up on bestsellers, securing bulk discounts, adding new products, or managing your supply chain. Marketing, boosting your advertising budget, optimizing for SEO, collaborating with influencers, or launching referral programs. Operations, covering operational costs and hiring staff. Steps to use Shopify Capital. Check eligibility. Shopify automatically evaluates your store's eligibility based on factors like sales performance, customer engagement, duration of your Shopify store, and compliance with Shopify's terms of service. You must be an active Shopify merchant, typically for at least 90 days, and in an eligible country, currently United States, Canada, United Kingdom, and Australia. If eligible, you'll receive an invitation via email or a notification in your Shopify admin dashboard under Finance Capital. Review and select an offer. Shopify usually presents you with several non-negotiable funding offers. Each offer will detail the funding amount, the total payment amount, including the borrowing cost or factor rate, and the daily payment percentage. Carefully review the terms to choose the offer that best fits your business needs. Accept the offer and receive funds. Once you accept an offer, funds are typically deposited directly into your business bank account within 2 to 5 business days. Utilize funds for inventory or marketing. For inventory, use the lump sum to purchase products, secure bulk deals from suppliers, or ensure you have enough stock to meet demand, especially during peak seasons. For marketing, allocate the funds to your advertising campaigns, e.g., Google Ads, Facebook Ads, hire marketing professionals, invest in content creation, or launch promotional activities to drive traffic and sales. Repayment. Repayment is automatic and is deducted as a percentage of your daily sales. This means you pay more when sales are high and less when sales are slow. The repayment continues until the total payment amount, original funds plus borrowing cost/factor rate, is fully paid. There's a maximum repayment term, usually 18 months, with minimum payment thresholds at 6-month, 30% repaid, and 12-month, 60% repaid marks. Failing to meet these can result in default. You can monitor your repayment status, remaining balance, and payment history directly in your Shopify admin under Finance Capital. You have the option to make manual payments if you wish to repay faster. By following these steps, you can effectively use Shopify Capital to invest in your inventory and marketing strategies, driving growth for your e-commerce business.